You can see from the front yard that there are some limbs down from an oak tree, and it's actually the top of that tree that has come down through the front yard. Then as I pan around, you can see here we've got another large oak tree that's fallen down from, it's actually one that's fallen down, it's hit the side of the tree and run all the way down through here. And we'll walk around the backyard. You can see some of the tops out of the tree that have been knocked down. Looks like this one's been knocked from the sides of this tree, and I don't know how, been very fortunate it didn't hit the house. And this tree here, which is the oak that we saw out front, is fallen down. And it looks like it ran all the way down the side of this tree and hit the ground, and I don't know how it didn't land on top of the fence, even though the fence is pretty ruined. Probably about a 50-foot section there that's bad. You can see it's landed right between the tree and the fence. You can see the neighbor's shed in the backyard has been fallen down by, there's a couple in that corner that blew down, and one of the trees smashed the back carport and patio of the neighbor's house. A couple of trees out back there had fallen. You can't quite see them, but there's limbs and debris down everywhere. Fortunately, no damage to the pool. First glance, it doesn't look like there's any damage to the house, but there is a lot of debris. In the pool. You can see here all of the limbs and stuff. A few trees missing from the backyard that were there before. You can see that tree is in question, and it's currently split, probably needs to be removed. Top of that maple tree came down, and then there's limbs on the side of the house there too. So all the lawn furniture's been blown over. And then you've got patio umbrella and stuff that's bent out of shape. Just a lot of debris. There's a lot of stuff in the bottom of the pool. And get all that cleaned up here real quickly. Limbs toward the back. You can see around the side of the house, there's limbs there. And of course this tree that's toppled, the maple, must have been some strong winds that night. It's a big tree that's in the backyard of the neighbors. Looks like the playground set took some minor damage. Still got a little safe spot underneath. You can see Mr. Fred had some damage here with a lot of limbs. This fence damage. This tree needs to most likely be taken out. It's split all the way up through, so it's a big oak that unfortunately is leaning toward the house. I go back around front now. see this tree is probably, unfortunately, on its next to last limb before it just comes up. And you see back around the front of the house here where the damages are. Doesn't look at anything out in the front other but limbs. Unfortunately, there's a lot of work yet to be done.